Hey everybody, it is Ron and I'm here with Shelby and we are checking into the Contemporary Resort in the Magic Kingdom area of Disney World. We're going to be staying in a garden wing room. It's not in the atrium, sadly, but we'll be staying in a garden room it's all themed to Incredibles and has a nice little walkway right to the pool. So we're going to be staying here for the next 2 nights and we're going to go ahead and show you guys around our room, show you a little bit of the resort, and that's what we're gonna do. Hey guys, Future Ron here. So when we arrived to the Contemporary, our room was not ready yet, even though we had gotten there after 5 p.m. So an amazing cast member wound up hooking us up with club level rooms on the 12th floor. This is something we didn't pay for. They went above and beyond to help us out since they messed up. All right, guys, we are here at Disney's Contemporary Resort. We're right outside of the Magic Kingdom. We are staying in room 4821. This is the club level rooms. This is our first time staying at club level, so we're giving you guys a little tour of our room here. This bathroom is absolutely incredible. The shower is amazing. I love the toilet getting its own separate shut off. But the shower, that's the biggest shower I've ever seen. But I mean, plenty of space. His and her sinks, you can't complain about that. Then plenty of closet space. Plus they are kind enough to provide you towels, which our roommate for the night already decided he was going to throw on and be fancy about. But plenty of space, plenty of drawer space. I imagine there's a safe somewhere around here. Guessing there's the safe. So seriously, plenty of space. You've got a Keurig. They give us any of the pods. There's the pods and the cups and everything. An assortment of English breakfast tea. And it's got some Joffreys. You can't go wrong with the Joffreys. There's your mini fridge. Standard mini fridge. Nothing too special about that. All of our luggage. Plenty of space for luggage, honestly. Even if you have more, tons of space underneath the beds. But here's the view of the room. Nothing out of the ordinary. Just love the Incredibles theme, the Frozone and the Edna Mode. And then when you get a club level room, they give you this little list of times to have your food and your beverages. You know, it's all included in the price of the club rooms. But the real highlight of the room for us has got to be this view. We have our own private balcony here. And we don't have a theme park room. We have a water view room, but you just can't beat this view. This view is just absolutely gorgeous. You got the Wilderness Lodge over there. Fort Wilderness. The cabins at Fort Wilderness. There we go. Plus the old Discovery Island right there. Love to go on that island one day. So we had never stayed club level before, so we had no idea what to actually expect. So when we found out that we had access to free drinks our entire stay, as well as breakfast, lunch, and hors d'oeuvres, as fancy as that sounds, which were basically small meals, it was worth every penny that somebody could pay for. Not only do you get access to your private balcony in your room, but you also have access to the club level balconies, which give amazing views of the fireworks shows at night. There is nothing better than grabbing a glass of champagne and stepping out onto one of these private balconies while they pump in the music for that night's fireworks show. That includes all the special event fireworks show. So if you're there for Halloween or Christmas, during the parties and you don't want to go to the parties, you will still be able to hear the music from that party on those balconies. Not only did you get access to that, but you had free alcohol, which for some people can be a game changer. I know how much it costs to have drinks at Disney, so having free alcohol included and being able to sit poolside with a mimosa to start your morning, just perfect. If you have never stayed here before, the atrium does give you direct access to the monorail, but even better, it only has a 6-minute walk if you plan to head to the Magic Kingdom.